friends, my name is Amber and I am one of the co-founders of Queen Beads. We're a part of Mountain Knit New Creations, and Trisha and I have started this bead group, this bead company, to bring you some really fun beads, handmade beads, and also some fun kits. So for the month of June, we have, I showed before, we have this awesome anklet bracelet in like sea and ocean colors. So today I just wanted to introduce you to the loom. I'm going to do a series of videos for this kit. I thought it would be a little easier to do that instead of one large video, and then I can combine them or make them a series on YouTube and make them available for you. So this kit you can do on several different looms. I will be doing it on the Jewel Loom. So you can find this over at jewelloom.com. And Jules is great. She's awesome. You could also do this type of anklet bracelet on this loom. This is made by Rainbow Loom. I forget what it's called specifically, but you can find this on Beadalon. You could also do it on a loom like my weaving goddess, also from Jewel Loom, or you could do it on a tying station. You could even do it on a macrame board. So there's many options to how you could make this kit. So if you don't have a Jewel Loom, no fret, you can do all kinds of different methods to make it, but my favorite way is the Jewel Loom. So today I'd like to show you guys how to, the first step, if I can get my, it's easier if I stand up here. So this is your Jewel Loom, okay, and it has two handy dandy holes right there. Hi Trisha, so glad you could join me. And you have a bar that it comes with. And as Jules calls it, this is your goddess belly. So you kind of push it into your goddess belly, put one part of the rod and the one end closest to you, and you gently push the rod in to create, to begin it. So that is your loom here. So then when you receive your kit, you will receive 4 feet of hemp. So we just have some hemp here. And of course I didn't figure out how to get the camera over closer to where I am. So sorry about that. So you take your loom, and on the back you have some notches. All right, and you are going to knot your hemp on the back here. I'm not sure if you can see me, but you're gonna make a knot on the back to start. I missed. So hemp is pretty good. It stays pretty well, but I'm gonna double knot it anyways. So you do a double knot there, and then you'll turn your loom over, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna make it wide enough to get in 3 rows of the beads. So there's little notches on the loom, and you're gonna lay it in one of the notches. So we're just gonna go down, lay it across from that notch. See how the notch is laid in there? And then on the back, you have another knob on the other side. Oh, there you go. Now you can see it. I'm glad you can see clear, Trish. Thanks. I wrapped it around twice. You have enough. I'm going to give you enough. We're going to give you, Trish and I will give you enough hemp to make that possible. And then I think it's about, let's see. Looks like you need it about 7 notches wide. Okay, so you count over. So you count, fingernails are always good for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you lay it down, and then on the other side as well. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Too far. Move it in closer. Try and keep the tension so it doesn't slide on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're back to the beginning, and you can just wrap it around there. And then I like to take it, and so I wrapped it around the notch. You're going to take it, slide it under the hemp, and tie a knot. So, and another double knot is good to do there. And then your loom is warped. You push it into your belly again, and you hold on to the top up here, and you pull that rod out. Let's see if I can get it. Sometimes you just need to flip it around. There we go. Make sure you put your finger on the top so your warps don't slide. And now your loom is warped and ready to go for the next step. So included in your package will be a picture of the pattern. So this pattern will be in the picture. You'll also get 150 of these beautiful beads. Plus, we will give you 8 of these shell beads. And then you'll have a choice of either this coconut button or these lovely handmade buttons by Trish, so that match the bead colors really well. So that's our kit. So you'll need a loom, or as I mentioned, a tying station or a macrame board, or this other loom. So you'll need some type of loom or a way to hold down your project and space underneath to be able to weave. And so in the next video, I'll start, I might just do that not live, but I'll just do the weaving for you. But I wanted to come on live and show you the Jewel Loom, show you how to warp it, and get you guys excited. We're gonna have 10 of the kits available. So yeah, send us a message. You can start ordering them now. And we do have some of our May kits. I had to think about what month it was. May kits still available. So if you'd like one of them, send Trish or I a message, or just message us here at Queen Beads. You can still make those lovely earrings that Trish designed last month. So yeah, so we're excited. I hope you can join us in the next video and learn how to make this fun little, I use it as an anklet, but you can use it as a bracelet, an anklet. If you want to make it slightly longer, you can make it a choker. But we'll have the measurements for you and the pattern for you with the kit and everything. So thanks for joining me today, and have a great day.